Well, YouTube, doing an unboxing of the operator 115 from Hardened Power Systems. What this does is, these are feet. I'm taking these feet out of the box. They sent these kind of as a bonus, I think. I told them I was going to be doing a YouTube video on the unboxing of this. So going through the unboxing here, bunch of cardboard. They packed it really nice. With the receipt there, setting the cardboard packing away. Really a nice job of packing. What this is it's an ammo can that has a bunch of electronics in and CNC machined plastic and also some 3D printed plastic. We'll get into that here a little bit later. More cardboard, a lot of bubble pack. Now I'm gonna probably be jumping right straight to the getting the ammo can. It's an ammo can, 30 caliber ammo can. Getting that ammo can out of the plastic. Got that much done. Now I'm doing this with one arm, yeah, hand, I guess. Got the camera in the other hand, so phone, I should say. Apologize for the photography, but you get an idea. Okay, I'm gonna fight this plastic off the bottom here with one hand. I'm gonna probably have to set my phone down here a little bit to get help out. Don't have anybody helping me here, so here we go. See if we can get this off of there. There we go. Come back. There we are. Okay, I'm gonna open this up. See what's inside. Okay, brochure. I'm gonna read a little bit of the brochure too. You can read along with me, or I'm just gonna comment on some of the highlights. Highlight is the name of his operator 115. This is not the G1. They have a G1 also. Thank you for buying this from them. Great company. I tell you what, really class act, nicely put together and everything. What this is for is to hold a radio, GMRS radio. It comes with a battery, comes with some, it's also, yeah, CNC machine from HDPE and 3D high impact 3D printed plastic. Okay, very easy, tool free. Comes with a USB port for charging peripheral devices. Comes with a external power. Comes with the external headphone. Speaker is inside of it. Yeah, you got a speaker. You got a switch for a main switch that'll turn the voltmeter and ammeter on and off. And also a speaker switch. Right there is the speaker, headphone jack, speaker switch, the antenna connection, the amp meter, two battery. They use Anderson power pole connectors, those red and black connectors there. 3 amp USB, on-off switch for the amp meter, and I think it covers the 3 amp USB and the auxiliary. There I'm pulling the cover off of the SO239, I believe, connector. Yeah, going Hardened Power Systems, made in the USA. 50, oh yeah, solar 50 watt auxiliary max. Does come with a charger, AC charger. I did order the 12 volt vehicle plug that fits this, and I did use that today. So I use this a lot for. Okay, there's the AC adapter I'll be pulling out. There's connectors for the radio. There's a mic, not a mic. I'm sorry, a speaker connector, power connector, antenna connector. Yes, that would be the PL259 connector. Goes okay. This one here puts out 18 volts, 1.5 amps. That's what charges the battery. Battery is an AGM battery, absorbent glass mat, I believe that stands for. Here's the adapter for the extension for the antenna. so you don't have to take the machine apart and hook up to the antenna to the back of the radio. There's a power connector. Now that power connector is backwards as far as I'm concerned, but it's wired right. Okay, now I'm going to take the little bungee off of the battery. It folds up really nice, very nicely built. That plastic is about 3/8 of an inch thick, very nicely built. And battery's not that horribly expensive either to replace. I think they're right around $20 to $30, I believe. Tipping it back up again. And yeah. Very well built. All it does is slide in and out of that ammo can. Okay, yeah, there's the power switch. And I believe that only, like I said before, I think I said before, it turns on the auxiliary and it turns on the USB, I believe. And there's a speaker switch, and I suppose that is so you can use it for headphones if you wish. Not sure why that is, but it's just something a little extra, I guess. Yeah, the feet. There's the feet. Those work really nice. They threw those in on a deal, and I really appreciate that. Magnetic, and they are pretty stout. You can knock them off of there, though, if you're not careful. Yep, thanks a lot. Okay, I've been kind of silent up to this point. I was going to do a voiceover on the previous videos and stuff, so vacuum cleaner is running, so decided that the Roomba, I should say, do a little bit more on this here. When I got this, I kind of questioned the polarity mix up here. If you look at here, red and black. This is from the actual radio, I'm sorry, the power supply, and then this part's from the radio. It looks like I need to, I think I'm going to undo this little, see here? Anyway, I'm going to undo this little Velcro thing here and include that in that, wrap that up in there with it. So, or maybe not. But it's kind of cool here, and I think I've noticed this in other videos. There's a little compartment under here. You can just slide the thing out, and then there's fuses, spare fuses for the radio. And here's a fuse right here in the obviously the positive side. And yeah, interesting. Or maybe the negative side. I'm not exactly sure which is positive or negative on this, but he said that was kind of normal, so we'll leave it be. Ready to put this back into the can here and try it out. Yeah, it was really simple to put together. Take it out of the box. Everything's there. Battery's there. This thing has a has an amp meter, has a voltmeter. The power actually just shows this, and this is a direct battery, I believe, and then this is through the power, and then I think the USB is powered too. I'll have to read a little bit more about it. But here looks like a speaker on-off switch, and this is the main switch, but the main switch does not turn the radio off. So if you wanted to be not have lights on this thing in the dark, you could have the radio running. So the only thing I gotta do is hook the antenna up and the speaker up, or the not speaker but the microphone, and give this thing a try. And then this thing right here is actually a holder for the microphone, so you can get everything in, including the stock antenna in here. I have a different antenna for this. I have a Slim Jim antenna that probably will work better for this radio, but that's kind of cool. Yeah, it comes on and everything. I should let my wife do these. She always likes to peel these things off, but there we go. And I'll have to read a little bit on all the buttons and see. But right. There you go.